The postman. Mark Lynch is a postman. He is not an old man. He is 25. He is tall and thin with a scar on his chin. He is a kind man. He is seldom sad. He has a nice smile on his pale, thin face. Mark is a fine, strong man. He can carry a big, huge bag. He sings to himself as he travels from place to place. He brings cards and parcels to my home. He arrives at 9 o'clock sharp. When he has time, he chats and tells jokes. He has an old rusty bike with bad brakes. From time to time, he carries me on the crossbar. He has a tiny bell which he lets me ring. He hates when wild dogs bark at him. Many dogs scare him. I think he has a hard job when it is cold and frosty.